Hello, today we are going to be doing a super exciting experiment. This is Jake, and while this lesson is for third graders, I could only find this 5-year-old to participate with me, so bear with me. During this activity, we will be exploring chemical reactions, we will be discussing observable changes in properties of matter, and we will also continue to focus on classifying substances as solids, liquids, or gas. Jake, I know you're super excited about working with fire, but we have to stay safe, right?
Yeah.
Oh, come back.
So fire mask.
No, you can't have the fire mask. Come back.
Today's object.
So first, anyone with long hair needs to put their hair up so we can stay safe from the fire, right?
So your hair doesn't get burned.
So it doesn't get burned. Good, smart. And then if you have long sleeves, you need to roll them up. So I'm rolling my long sleeves up, and you're wearing short sleeves. So you're good. But we don't want them to get on fire, right?
Yeah, or then we'll get all the way up here and burn yourself.
Yeah.
And you will be dead.
No. No, you won't die. It'll be fine. So before we begin this activity, Jake.
It will just
Jake.
burn
Why do you think a candle burns?
because it's poopy head.
No, you gotta, come on. Why do you think a candle burns?
Because if you put water, it burns.
Because if you put water, it burns?
Yeah.
You mean it stops burning when you put water on it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's interesting. Why do you think that is?
Because fire can't take water.
Yeah, fire doesn't like water. That's a good observation.
But fire water can take water. Fire water can take water.
Fire water? I've never heard of that.
But what's on me?
Okay, so we are gonna mix together. It's not hot. So we're gonna mix baking soda and vinegar together. All right, and then we're gonna tilt the cup over, and we're gonna pour it. But look, when we do it, we're not gonna get any of the liquid on the candle, but the fire is still gonna go out. Do you have any predictions as to why that might happen?
I don't know.
You don't know? Should we just do the experiment to find out?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
The today's object
So
started on fire.
I'm gonna do it first, okay, to show you, and then I'm gonna let you try it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna take a tablespoon of baking powder. We're gonna very carefully put it in this jar,
Yes.
just like that.
Is people watching us?
I'm gonna send it to my professor, my teacher. And then we're gonna put some vinegar in.
Yep. And then maybe we'll start.
And then we're gonna super quickly give it a stir.
Yes.
What do you see is happening? It's bubbling, right?
Yes.
Why is that happening?
Because it's starting a fire. It's
Oh.
starting to burn.
So we're gonna light our candle.
Yes.
Let's see. Oh my gosh. If I can light it. Jake, come back here. We gotta observe the experiment.
Don't stay on fire.
Look, come here.
Now we're on the
So
fire.
now, watch.
Hey?
Why'd that happen?
Oh
We didn't even put any liquid on it.
my.
What the?
Yeah.
All right. Why do you think that happened?
Because that and that don't get along.
Because they don't get along?
Yeah.
That's an interesting thought, Jake.
Because fire takes water.
That's not water. You know what that is?
No.
That when you mix together baking soda and vinegar,
Water can take fire because fire's
Jake,
only burning.
when you mix together vinegar and baking soda, it makes a gas
Yeah.
called carbon dioxide.
What
And
is
when
that?
you light a fire,
Yep.
you need oxygen to support it, right?
How did that happen?
The only way for a fire to stay lit is if it has oxygen, right?
Yes. And if there's dead gas.
So when we pour it on there, we're smothering the fire. It doesn't have any oxygen in
Yeah.
it.
But if there's dead gas, it will explode.
So do you think if we let them try it again after the
Yeah.
mixture settled for a while, do you think it would still
But
be
if
able
you
to
mix
put the fire out?
gas water and fire that will make
Let's see if I can get this to
dead
relight.
explode bomb.
No, we're not making a bomb. Chill.
Even if you make vinegar and soda
There we go. I got it to light.
and
Okay,
fire,
so,
it makes a bomb.
Jake, we were letting this settle for a while. Do you think it's still going to work?
Yeah.
You think it's still going to set the fire out?
Yes.
Should we try?
Yeah. How is that?
So it's doing that.
Those stuff dead.
It's doing that because the carbon dioxide inside of it is heavier than the air. It's smuggling the fire. All right. All right, do you want to give it a try?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna set the fire,
No,
okay?
no, I want to.
Jake.
I'm
Jake, we have to stay safe. Okay?
safe.
All right, you are safe?
Yes. I'm just so scared of fire.
All right. All right, pretty. Now, do you wanna try it?
Yeah.
Okay, but remember, none of the liquid is gonna go on it. You're just tilting the glass, okay? All right. Keep it up a little bit. Let's see, will this still work? Oh my goodness, that was so cool! All right, now if Jake was a little older and knew about this stuff already, I would ask him, using your prior knowledge of states of matter, why do you think a candle went out? Discuss with a partner. And then I would ask, what did you observe when I combined the vinegar and baking soda? Jake, what did you notice when I combined the vinegar and baking soda? Didn't it bubble? Didn't it get all bubbly?
Because that can take that.
Do you want to see? Let's see. I want to show you it getting all bubbly. Watch. Here.
Put some of that in here.
Yeah, I'm going to show you. Watch.
I want to make a big fire.
We're not making a big fire. Okay, see, we put a little vinegar or a little baking soda. What's going to happen when I put the vinegar in? You don't know? We just did this.
Yes.
It got bubbly, remember? Look.
Yeah.
I shake it up. Right? So, what did you observe when I did that? What happened?
I know.
It got all bubbly.
Wait.
It smells bad. Stop smelling it. Okay. And then I would ask him, what other ways can we put out a fire? Jake, what other ways can we put out a fire?
Water.
Good one. Can you think of another way?
Vinegar.
Vinegar and baking soda,
Yes.
which makes carbon dioxide.
Let me try with this.
No, we're not doing it with that.
Right.
How else can we do it? We could blow it out. Smart.
And we can burn it.
Here, and I got one more way. You want to see this?
Yeah. Let's see.
Here, is there water in this?
Something happened. Pick it up.
Oh,
Okay.
there we go. And that's because we're getting rid of the oxygen, okay?
Smell the dead.
All right, and that was our Discrepant Event experiment. Good job, Jake.
You.
Can you say
That
bye?
is dead now.
Jake, can you say bye, Professor Dupree? Can you do it?
Bye to best to do.
All right.